In this session, let us learn about finally, float, for, if keywords. Java final keywords. The final keyword is a non-access modifier used for classes, attributes and methods, which makes them non-changeable, impossible to inherit or override. The final keyword is useful when you want a variable always store the same value like pi. The final keyword is called a modifier. You learn more about this in the Java modifier videos. Set a variable to final to prevent it from being overridden or modified. See, if we write and execute this code, see, we will generate an error. Java finally keyword. The finally keyword is used to execute code used with exceptions, try catch statements, no matter if there is an exception or not. See the example, execute code after try each regardless of the result. See, if you write and execute this code, the output result returns this. Something went wrong, the try catch is finished. Java float keyword. The float keyword is a data type that can store fractional number from 3.4e minus 038 to 3.4e plus 038. Note that you can should end the value with an f. See, if we write and execute this code, the result returns is 5.75. Java for keyword. The for loop loops through a block of code a number of times. From the example, statement 1 sets a variable before the loop starts, integer I is equal to 0. Statement 2 defines the condition for loop to run, I must be less than 5. If the condition is true, the loop will start over again. If it is false, the loop will end. Statement 3 increases a value I plus plus each time the code block in the loop has been executed. See the example, print the number 0 to 4. If we write and execute this code, the result returns is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 printed. See another example, there is also a for each loop which is used exclusively to loop through elements in an array. The following example outputs all elements in the cars array using a for each loop. See, if we write and execute this code, the result output printed this: buses, Maruti, Tata, Ashoka Leyland. Java if keyword. The if statement specifies a block of Java code to be executed if a condition is true. Java has the following condition statements. Use if to specify a block of code to be executed if a specified condition is true. Use else if to specify a block of code to be executed if the same condition is false. Use else if to specify a new condition to test if the first condition is false. Use switch to specify many alternative blocks of code to be executed. This is the example. Test two values to find out if 20 is greater than 18. If the condition is true, print some text. See, if we write and execute this code, the output result returns is obviously 20 is greater than 18. See another example, use the if statement to test variables. See, if we write and execute this code, the output returns is x is greater than y. Okay friends, this is the end of Java part 57, finally, float, for, if keywords. In next video, let us learn about another topic, implements, import, instance of int interface keywords. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.